Question number 3 says that find the value of the given bits after doing the division. So as we know that here the division of fractions will be involved. So before we start getting on to solving each of the bits, we'll first try and understand how to divide two fractions. So let's say if we have a fraction a over b which is divided by c over d, we can write it as a product of a over b and the reciprocal of the fraction which was there in the denominator. So we'll do the flipping of the fraction which was there in the denominator, and so we can write it as d over c. Now going by this method, we'll start with the first bit where we have 7 over 3 divided by 2. So this we can write it as 7 over 3 times flipping 2, that is 1 over 2. And that gives us the answer as 7 over 6. Coming to the second bit, we have 4 over 9 divided by 5. So we can put a multiplication sign and flip 5. That will give us the fraction 1 over 5. So the product of these two fractions is 4 over 45. Coming to the third bit, we have 6 over 13 divided by 7. Going by the method that we have just understood, we put a multiplication sign, flip or invert 7, and that gives us the fraction as 1 over 7. Multiplying these two fractions will give us the product as 6 over 91. Coming to the fourth bit, we have a mixed fraction which is 4 1/3. We'll convert this into an improper fraction, and that is 3 times 4 which is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So 13 by 3 divided by 3. So put a multiplication sign, flip or invert 3, that gives us 1 over 3. Multiplying the two fractions gives us the answer as 13 over 9. Now we'll go on to the next set of bits. In the fifth bit, we again have a mixed fraction, so we'll convert this into an improper fraction. 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, so 7 over 2 divided by 4. So we put a multiplication sign, invert 4, so that gives us 1 over 4. Multiplying the two fractions, we get the product as 7 over 8. So this is the answer for the fifth bit. Coming to the last bit of this question, which is the sixth bit, we have the mixed fraction 4 3 over 7. Converting this into an improper fraction, we get 7 times 4, which is 28. 28 plus 3 is 31. So 31 over 7 divided by 7. So we put a multiplication sign, flip or invert 7. That gives us the fraction as 1 over 7. So we get the product of these two fractions as 31 over 49. And this is how we solve this problem.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.